In finance, intrinsic value refers to the value of a company, stock, currency or products determined through fundamental analysis without reference to its market value. It is also frequently called fundamental value. It is ordinarily calculated by summing the discounted future income generated by the asset to obtain the present value. It is worthy to note that this term may have different meanings for different assets. Options. An option is said to have intrinsic value if the option is in the money. When out of the money, its intrinsic value is zero. The intrinsic value for an in-the-money option is calculated as the absolute value of the difference between the current price of the underlying and the strike price of the option. For example, if the strike price for a call option is USD $1 and the price of the underlying is $1 then the option has an intrinsic value of 20 United States cents. The value of an option is the sum of its intrinsic and its time value. Equity. In valuing equity, securities analysts may use fundamental analysis, as opposed to technical analysis, to estimate the intrinsic value of a company. Here the intrinsic characteristic considered is the expected cash flow production of the company in question. Intrinsic value is therefore defined to be the present value of all expected future net cash flows to the company. It is calculated via discounted cash flow valuation. An alternative, though related approach, is to view intrinsic value as the value of a business' ongoing operations, as opposed to its accounting-based book value, or break-up value. Warren Buffett is known for his ability to calculate the intrinsic value of a business, and then buy that business when its price is at a discount to its intrinsic value. Real estate. In valuing real estate, a similar approach may be used. The intrinsic value of real estate is therefore defined as the net present value of all future net cash flows which are foregone by buying a piece of real estate instead of renting it in perpetuity. These cash flows would include rent, inflation, maintenance and property taxes. This calculation can be done using the Gordon model.